Okay, hi everyone. My name is Alton. We are here at the Solar Show 2025, and with me, I am with Alexander Joyce from Solar MD. Alexander Joyce, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you, Alton. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming to our stand. So, Alexander Joyce, tell us how has been the Solar Show today for you?
Oh, it's been amazing. It's been some amazing 3 days. We were very happy to be able to exhibit our products on the IBC stand, introducing our new outdoor battery solution. And we had quite some good feedback. A lot of people were very interested. And yeah, we're very happy to be here together with the whole IBC team and seeing everyone working together. It's been an amazing few days.
Okay, thanks. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to walk over there and we will be showcasing and showing you our Solar MD slash IBC solution. Thank you. Okay, Alexander Joyce, please tell us a little bit about this solution. What led SolMD to come up with this solution, and what's your projection on with of sales? If
So yeah, so I mean, the idea was that we have one of the most customizable and flexible solutions because we know like how it is with distributors as well as installers. They have got their favorite inverter brand they use, I mean, their favorite product. So we wanted to make sure that our outdoor solution is compatible with any of the of the common brands. And with this solution, what we have got here is we have got a 243.1 kilowatt hour battery. Then we have got optional items or optional products you can add on, but you can also just purchase the battery on its own. And there is a mounting plate on the side, which means this is not connected to the battery shell. This is a mounting plate, so everyone can actually mount its own equipment there. So if you like, for instance, good hybrid inverters, you can actually mount one on the side, use it with our batteries. They are compatible, or any other brand. What is in the IBC portfolio, we are compatible with. You can connect to our batteries, mount it on the side, and install the battery now anywhere outside. It's IP65. It has air conditioning inside. We have a fire suppression inside, so it's right well deployable wherever it's needed.
wow, thank you for that information. But I see something very interesting right now. Is does Solar MD have its own inverter now? Because I see here there's a 250 kilowatt STS and 125 PCS. I think this is a Solar MD brand. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? Why
Yes.
Solar MD is moving to make having its own inverter? I mean, for me that would make sense because at least you know it's compatible and it has been
Yes.
tested. But tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah. So this is not really a Solar MD brand. The casing and everything is obviously done by Solar MD, but we're using a third party brand we partnered with now. The name is Yund, and we're using their PCSs. So it's 125 kilowatt PCS. There's a 250 kilowatt STS, so 10 milliseconds changeover cabinet. As well, we have got 120 kilowatt MPPT. So our idea was to also offer, besides the flexibility, we also wanted to offer our clients the possibility to have like an all-in-one solution, which will be available at IBC. All-in-one solution, and it's a complete big hybrid system. PV can be connected, the PCS is connected, 10 millisecond changeover switch. You can parallel up to four of them. So four of these cabinets next to each other is 500 kilowatt of output, and that can be, as I said earlier, deployed anywhere. And we wanted just to make it as easy as possible for all our clients.
Thank you very much. I'm very interested in getting my hands on this one. I think I need one for my house. I
We'll
mean,
see. We'll see if we can fit it.
yeah, we'll see. I can fit it somewhere in the garage. But anyway,
Awesome.
thank you everyone for joining, and thank you, Alex, for your time.